Is the ruler missing in your Windows 11 snipping tool? Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you how to fix it quickly. Let's bring back that ruler for more accurate screenshots. Right-click on the Windows Start button. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Apps. Next, choose Installed Apps from the list. Now, find the app you want to fix. Once you locate it, click the three dots next to the app's name. From the drop-down menu, click on Advanced Options. In this new window, you'll see options for repairing the app. Click on Repair to start the process. Wait for the repair to finish, and once it's done, click on Reset to restore the app to its original settings. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Open your Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes to grant administrative privileges. Now, here's the magic command. In the video description below, you'll find the command sfc/scano. Copy it, paste it into the command prompt, and hit Enter. Wait for the verification process to reach 100%. Once it's done, close the command prompt. Now, the final step, restart your computer. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Again, right-click on the Windows Start button. This time, open Settings from the menu. Click on Apps once again. Select Installed Apps to view all your applications. Look for the app you want to uninstall. When you find it, click the three dots next to its name. Then click on Uninstall from the drop-down menu. You'll need to confirm, so click Uninstall again when prompted. Now let's search for Microsoft Store in your Windows search bar. Open the Microsoft Store application. In the store, type Snipping Tool into the search bar. Click on Snipping Tool from the search results to open its page. Finally, click on Get to start downloading and installing the Snipping Tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.